another bite? I took a bite. I might as well take another
Eat the whole thing at once.
Eat the whole, no, there's all the seeds right now. It's delicious. Not really, because my mouth hurts.
I'm just waiting for your eyes to water.
I want to try it.
No, don't try it.
Hey!
No.
He eats stuff like that.
You don't let me.
Go ask Lynn. Woo!
It's good.
I'm waiting for it to kick in.
Try it. And if you don't like it, oh, it kicks in? Dude,
Hey, Ryan, do it.
Oh, dude, you're sweating. You can open. Oh, there you go.
You want to give me some water? No, you don't. Dude, you're not giving me water.
You're red.
Ryan, don't do that.
Do it.
Don't.
Don't do it.
No, because your mom will get
Do
mad.
it.
No.
Ryan, your mom will get really mad at us.
No, she won't.
Stop! Wait, you put Gatorade in it. I'm not getting it. It's good. Disgusting. No, it's good.
Ryan, Billy, you're such a liar.
Bring it at it.